Beauties. So today I'm here to show you guys how to do your brows. So I'm going to be a little up close and personal with you guys today to explain to you what goes on with getting your eyebrows right. So I'm just going to put this hair to the back so we could work with this eyebrow and then compare it with the other eyebrow. So there's just a few items that you actually are going to need, and one of them is a soap. So we're using an easy method right here. So this is the soap that I actually use. I love it. And what I like about it is that it's clear. So you can literally use any soap. I've tried this method with a normal everyday soap, even with the sunlight bar soap. I've tried it with so many methods. So you're going to need a spoolie, and this is going to be used to pick up your brows like this. Just a simple example. And some setting spray. You can use rose water instead of setting spray because it works just as well. So now what you're going to do is spray it onto your soap. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry I shook you guys. And then just get the product into right here. So now what I'm going to do is just pick this bad boy up right here. So let me just get a mini mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. So this is what it looks like brushed, and then you're going to leave it to dry. Now while it's drying, I want you to go and get yourself something that's a bit round. So I generally use my concealer. I'm really happy with how this shape turned out right here. I don't want to do anything else with it, nor do I want to like fan it down. Maybe yeah, just a little like that. Then what I'm going to do is take this right here and I'm going to flatten it like that. So now this gets all the product in everywhere. Also, it makes it look like your natural brow. So I'm just going to lift up a little bit more. Please take note that it's going to be flat like that. Now this is where the tricky part actually comes in. Now you're going to be using a gel eyeliner. So this is the one from Bobbi Brown, which I broke. So I had to decant it into another container because there was so much of product left, but it was broken. So I'm just getting excess product here, and then I'm going to just take it out right here onto my hand like that. And then now all I do is align the bottom. Please take note that your brows need to dry with the soap, right? So now I just line the bottom, and then I take the product back in to make it look and to blend with my brow. Remember, less product is more. So right here, that's what it's going to look like. Let me come up close so you guys can see exactly. So yeah, just want to get this one down. I don't know what he's doing upright. Now that's what it looks like right there. So the tail is what is the part that actually takes a little bit longer to groom. And now I'm just going to reach out for another brush that is a little bit more flat. So I've got this one right here, and I'm going to take on some my concealer, just put it at the back of my hand. Here we go. And then there we go. and then I just brought it down. So okay, let's compare now. See this side and see this side. There's literally a vast difference right here. So I'm just gonna give you a moment to check on my differences. Anyway, you guys, that's it for me. And I just want to, okay, let me come up close and personal. Here we go, and here we go. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Till the next video. I'm out.